Hi, it's Rich Tehrani here in the TMC newsroom on location today. We are in Boston, Massachusetts, and we will be speaking to people from AudioCodes. Representatives Alan Percy and Sharone Ben-Levi will be on the program to discuss some of the company's new offerings. And first up is a product called Business Plus. And so my question to you, Alan, is what exactly is this product?
Well, thanks, Rich. Thanks for having us today. And yeah, Business Plus is a new initiative that we've got going at AudioCodes that brings together our hardware platforms that we've been developing over the last few years, which starts with our gateways and our multi-service business gateways, or MSBGs, plus our new line of IP phones to now create a complete hardware platform for a number of our software partners to leverage. So instead of just selling the individual components, now what we've been able to do is bundle together software from our partners and be able to create a combined appliance-like solution for these partners.
That's great. Now, the business model for Business Plus, what is it like? How does it work?
Yeah, so this is one of the unique parts about it. Not only is the technology come together, but it's also allowed us to reach a new set of business models. Traditionally we started with an OEM business model where our customers would buy the hardware platform and then load their software on and then sell it through their channels. But what we've discovered is that with a new business model, based pretty much on what happened in the PC marketplace, is that our software partners are now starting to add this software component to this standard hardware platform. In our channels, for example, some of the resellers then add their the software component of their choice, or they might ask us to preload the software and then ship it out from the factory preloaded with not only the hardware but also the software installed. So it allows for a variety of business models that really fits the particular software application in the market they're trying to approach.
And can you give me some examples of applications that are working in this manner?
Sure. So a couple really good examples that are relatively recent. One of the newest ones is our Nortel SCS relationship. And it's a product we call Business Plus with Nortel SCS, and it's in combination with with Nortel and some of the work we've been doing with them. And what it does is it brings together our Media 1000 with OSM processor and our IP phones, along with the Nortel SCS software. And what we actually do is preload the software in the factory, and the software's key locked, right, with a software key. It goes into our channels in that configuration. And then what happens is the reseller buys the pre-configured hardware with software pre-installed, and then purchases a key from Nortel to allow them to unlock the software. So they get a complete turnkey system from ordering one set of hardware and then ordering a separate key. So that's just one example. But there's been a handful of others too. We're doing some work with Microsoft and bundling these solutions together. Also too with BroadSoft and a handful of other partners that are leveraging this platform.
Sounds great, and I would imagine for the reseller, there's less complexity, and they probably enjoy working with less vendors rather than more, right?
Oh, absolutely. Matter of fact, for them, the big benefit is that they only have to deal with one hardware partner, and that reduces the amount of training that they have to do. It reduces the amount of technical documentation, the number of channel partners they need to work with. It really makes life much, much easier for them, and also reduces the number of stocking parts. You figure now all of a sudden they can have just one hardware platform for 3 or 4 different software applications. So it's pretty interesting.
Sharone, please tell us, what is the inspiration behind the Business Plus initiative?
So the Android or the iPhone were actually the inspiration behind it with the App Store. So we, AudioCodes, perceive our unique selling point as having a set of solutions, including SBCs, gateways, firewalls for security, routers, and a CPU, a processor to host these applications that Ellen just mentioned, along with a media server and IP phones, with HD VoIP as an all-encompassing solution around a particular application. So the same way with an Android or an iPhone, an application can reside within this environment and provide a full solution. So that's what inspired us to be for the market of telephony, the same way as the iPhone and Android serve the cellular market.
This is Rich Tehrani from the TMC Newsroom. Today we've been speaking with representatives from AudioCodes, Sharone Ben-Levi, and also Alan Percy. Thank you for watching.